Now, crew, I have some more stocking stuffers and gift ideas for you. This is going to be so cool and so fun. If you want to see what I got, keep watching. All right, now, crew, I have some more gift giving ideas. So if you remember from my last video, I said I was going to make a playlist of things for you guys to give for the holidays, whether it be stocking stuffers or just a gift for yourself. You know, hey, you just give yourself a gift. So this company is called Laguna Moon, and I will have their link in the description box below. And I do have a coupon code for them. Look at me, giving you ideas to give a friend or to give yourself, but also giving you coupon codes so you can save some money. You're welcome, nail crew. You're welcome. All right, so let's look at the first box. A cute little pink box. You know, I love a good cute pink box, right? Let me show you guys the back of the package. Here's just the ingredients. And here's a QR code. You guys can scan that, and I think it takes you right to the website. All right, so here's the front of the package, right? Let's just get into it. Let's just get right on into it. Alrighty, guys, almost got it out. It's like they don't want me to get into it. First, a little plastic wrap on the outside, and then it's like hard to get out the box. They really secured this package. All right, so here's some instructions, maybe some ingredients, blah, blah, blah. Not gonna read it. Okay, you guys already know, like, I do not like to read instructions. I'm that girl. But I wanted to show you guys that it does come with them, and in case you guys want them or need them, voila, it is provided. All right, so let's just open these up. I want to give it a whiff. Give it a nice little smell. So it smells like regular gel polish. There's nothing funky going on. I'm giving you guys a drip test. It has a nice medium consistency. It's not too thin. It's not too thick. Can't wait to try that out. And let's just do this one as well. Same. It just smells like regular polish. Like there's nothing funky going on. And there we go. Drip test. Just smelled it again just to make sure. I don't know, it just smells regular. What I'm smelling for when I smell this is if it has like a weird odor, like something that I would not want to use, but this clearly does not have any of that. Okay, now this is what I'm really most excited for, guys. This is what I'm most excited for. Let me just open them both up. So I saw this on their website and I couldn't decide which one I wanted to get. I definitely went back and forth as to which one I should get. And then I just ended up getting both in the end. I just ended up just getting both. Okay, so let's look at the gel remover first. So the ingredients are acetone, alcohol, and ethyl acetate. So in case you guys don't know, ethyl acetate is a nail polish remover. In the nail world, that's what we use it for. I'm sure there's other uses. But anyway, with my Prep and Clean Dehydrate, so this is the one that I use for every single set, I noticed that the ingredient in here is also ethyl acetate. So let me just show you guys. Okay, you see that? So of course the ingredients aren't exactly the same, but they both have the ethyl acetate. And then this one also has acetone and alcohol, right? So if you cannot buy, find, or you run out of your ASP Prep and Clean Dehydrator, definitely you could get away with this one. And as a matter of fact, I think that's what I'm going to use it for. I'm going to use it to dehydrate my nails. So I just want to give it a little open and whiff. It smells like a watered down acetone. I kind of expected it to smell like that. That's what it smells like. All right, so that is that one. And all you do is flip the top open. You can put your manicure brush right on top and just scrub your nail. So you have a large container of Prep and Clean Dehydrator. Perfect. All right, so this one is the nail cleanser. This one is after you finish your nails and they have that sticky inhibition layer. You need something to clean it off. This is what you would use. So on the back, it has the ingredients and it tells you exactly how to use it. You see the directions right there. So let's look at the ingredients. It has alcohol, ethyl acetate, and acetone. So the ingredients are very similar to the first bottle that I showed you, just in different proportions. So you guys know the first ingredient is what's dominant in the solution, and then it fades as it gets down to the third, fourth, fifth ingredients. Let me open this one and give it a little whiff. So it kind of smells like Kind of like alcohol. Like alcohol is definitely the dominant smell in that one. So this one is to clean off the sticky inhibition layer. And the other one I'm going to use as a prep and clean dehydrator. So you'll see me use that very often. All right, so let's get into the bigger box. Now this box is a little bit bigger. However, it can still fit into a stocking. So if you're looking for stocking stuffers, like I said, everything that I'm showing you guys today will definitely fit in a stocking and make a very good gift. Check out my description box below. Use my coupon codes. I am literally trying to build up my coupon code list to like 20 or more for you guys, for real. Like I really just want you guys to have a place to come, shop, click on the links, and save money. So seriously, that's what I'm trying to do. All right, so this is what the package looks like, and this is their Platinum series. Cute little yellow box. It says gel polish on the side. And here on the back, what is this? It looks like the ingredients over there to the right, and then directions over here to the left. All right, shall we get in here? Shall we get on into the box? Ooh, la la. How cute is that presentation? Okay, so over here on the left, it has some troubleshooting. Your nails are peeling. It won't dry. How to remove. Very nice. Very nice packaging. I love that. I really love that. And if you really wanted to, you see how the edges are perforated? You could just cut right down those dotted lines and save it. Super cool. Okay, so let's just get into, you know, I got to swatch these colors. You know I have to swatch them for you guys, right? So here's another insert. Oh, let's see. I'm not going to read this. Oh, just showing you guys that it comes with it. Okay, off to the side you go. All right, so how cute is this, right? The little packaging. I love it. We have to swatch. We have to swatch and play. Laguna Moon, I've never heard of this company before. This was the first time, like, they reached out to me via email. Thank you guys so much. I appreciate the love. So they asked me to go on their website and pick out a few items that you guys might enjoy me reviewing. And I was on their website for literally, guys, like over 30, 45 minutes because they have a lot of stuff. And I wanted to pick something that you guys would enjoy or something you guys would use or give as a gift. So I was on that website for so long, man. I really was. And then I was like, okay, I know they like polishes, right? That's always a really good gift. I know that I talk about using dehydrator and nail prep and things like that all of the time. So when I saw those bottles, I was like, okay, cool. This would be perfect because it's a very good prep and clean dehydrator. Even though it's not labeled as a dehydrator, that's what I'm going to use it for. I'm using it as a dehydrator. You see the quantity in that bottle? You get a lot. You will never run out of dehydrator. I love it. I love it. I love it. So that's what I'm going to use the first bottle for. Even though it says gel remover or whatever, I'm not using it as that. It's going to be a dehydrator. You guys will see me use it in almost every video going forward. So anyway, I picked that. And then, of course, you guys are always asking me for a good top coat and base coat. So I definitely wanted to get a top coat and base coat for you guys to look at. So that is that, guys. I hope you guys enjoy the picks that I chose for you guys to look at. I'll be definitely looking to see if they're going to have a Black Friday sale and be purchasing more. You guys tell me what you think. Visit their website. Link will be below. And just shop or just look around and come back and tell me what you want me to try. And then I could try to make that happen for you. Okay, so that is that. Anyway, the polishes are going on very well, as you can tell. And you know I'm going to do a 2-coat. You know I'm going to swatch twice for you. However, I don't need to, like, do you see? This is definitely 1 coat worthy. Like, I don't feel like doing another coat is going to make a difference. I really don't. However, since I always do double coats for my polishes, I'll just do a double coat just to keep everything consistent, but you really don't need it. And I like when polishes are good at 1 coat because then you save product, you know, saving product saves money and it also saves time. So I'll swatch twice for you, but if this was a real person, I probably would just do 1 coat, especially if I got full coverage with it. Sorry, I'm out of frame. Sorry, I'm out of frame. Oh my gosh. Again, I'm sorry. I'm so sorry. But you guys can still see it. You guys can still see it. Oh my gosh. Look at that. Oh my gosh. So pretty. Beautiful. So beautiful. This was a nice Platinum Series collection, guys. Very good for the holidays. Very good for the holidays, but also good for the summer. I see some holiday colors like that silver, like I think this red right here that I'm about to show you would be a good look. Perfect for New Year's, perfect for the holidays, right? But also like that green color and the purple. I feel like that's a good springtime, summertime vibe, you know? Now look how pretty this red is with all the sparkles and shimmers in there. One coat, guys, one coat. One coat. For real? For real? How come nobody told me about this company before? I never heard of this company before. Come on. I'm glad they found me. Yo, Laguna, I'm glad you guys found me. I like this stuff so much. And you know, I didn't want to go overboard when I was on their website because I was like, what if I get all this stuff and I hate it? Like, what if it's trash? But clearly it's not trash. This is like some quality stuff. Super cool. I love this purple. This purple is, oh my gosh, so pretty. This is so stinking cute. All right, let me let them all cure for a full 60 seconds and apply a second coat. So they cured in the lamp for 60 seconds. And here I am applying that second coat that it does not need. However, just for shits and giggles, we're going to apply a second coat. So here we go. Here we go. Putting them in the lamp. I'm not going to show you guys me swatching every single one the second time because that would just be boring. You guys would be like, oh, right. Been there, done that. I got things to do. So we won't do that. This silver one right here, though, I really like this. Like, I think like this is an everyday look, and this actually might be my favorite. Is it my favorite? I don't know. You guys know I pick like 10 favorites. The polish collection could have 10 colors and all 10 will be my favorite. All right, I'm going to try to pick, I'm going to try to only pick 3 favorites this time, okay? And you guys tell me what your favorites are as well. This is going to be hard. I know I like the silver one a lot, and that purple is really adorable. But this one is really pretty too. Oh, look at that. Look at that. And it matches my curtain in the background. Okay, so that one might be my favorite. This red is nice. Oh my God. Anyway, I don't know. I'll try to pick only 3. So here we go. They cooked in the oven for a good 60 seconds. And this purple, who likes the purple the best? Tell me your ranking. Leave me your top 3 in the comment section below. Give me your top 3. I am gonna say, give me a second. This is always so hard for me. You know, I love a good pink. So that pink is very pretty. You know, I love a good pink. Actually that purple, silver, and pink together, that looks like a whole look in and of itself. Like that's a whole vibe right there. All right. This blue one right here, yo. This looks good. This would match my skin tone perfectly. All right, so if I had to rank them in order, I would say that bluish one, number 1. I'm only going to pick my top 3. The bluish one, the silver one, and the purple. Blue, silver, purple. Aye! But I want to add the pink. Ooh! I don't know. All right, guys. Tell me what you would have ranked. And also, tell me, have you heard of Laguna Moon? Was this your first time? Because it was definitely my first time. Let me know what you thought about everything that I picked out to show you guys. Visit their website. Link will be in the description box below. Also, use my coupon code if you make a purchase. And if you see something on their site that you want me to try, let me know and I'll try to get it for you guys. Until next time,